Hi boys and girls, welcome to another edition of Bath Math. Today's lesson is all about angles. The first angle that I want to talk to you about is an acute angle. Oh, it's adorable. An acute angle is any angle that is between 0 and 90 degrees. So again, it's between 0 and 90 degrees. So 0 is not an acute angle, and neither is 90 degrees. So anything from 1 degree to 89 degrees is considered an acute angle. And this is just one example of what an acute angle looks like. Okay? The second type of angle is a right angle. And a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. So it's an exact 90-degree angle. And oftentimes you'll see this little square in the bottom corner to signal to you that it is a 90-degree angle. A third angle is called an obtuse angle. And an obtuse angle is any angle between 90 and 180 degrees. So here is an example of an obtuse. So again, it's between 90 and 180. So again, it's a 90-degree angle is not considered obtuse, and a 180-degree angle is not considered obtuse. Okay? The next angle is called a straight angle. And as we work our way around the bathtub, hopefully you're able to see that. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees. And 180 degrees is nothing more than a straight line. Okay? So a straight angle is like a straight line, 180 degrees. If you're at the skateboard park, or if you're wakeboarding on the water, a 180-degree turn is going from face forward to, facing backwards. Whereas a 360 is a full revolution, a full circle. So it's going all the way around. So if you're facing forward, if you do a full revolution, that's 360 degrees. Now, a couple other phrases that I want you to remember with angles, in terms of angles, are vertical angles. Vertical angles is if I have two lines, okay, and my lines cross right here at this intersection. Vertical angles would be the two angles, so I'm going to call this angle, I'm going to mark it right there. That same angle, or the measurement of that angle, equals the measurement of the angle that is vertical to it, okay, facing it. Same thing over here. I could say this angle is the same measurement as that angle, okay, vertical angles. Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. So for example, if I have a 90-degree angle here, I know that this is a 90-degree angle. If I have maybe another ray right here, I have this angle here, which looks to be about, 30 degrees. Okay, if that angle is 30 degrees, that means this angle here then would be 60 degrees. Because 60 plus 30 equals 90, and that's a 90-degree angle. Now the way that this would be labeled, you would have to have letters with points on them. So let's say A, B, C, D. Angle CAB is this angle here, and angle DAC would be the other one. Okay? A is the middle of both of my angles. That's important to remember. When you name an angle, make sure your letters go in the correct order. I can't say angle ABC. I have to have AB in the middle because that is my point where my rays are coming off of. So angle BAC and angle DAC. I could switch around these two letters where I could say angle CAB is the same as angle BAC. Same thing with down below. This one, angle DAC, can actually be angle CAD. Notice it's the same angle, just written a different way. That last angle, or the last phrase that I want to talk to you about, is called a supplementary angles. That's two angles that equal 180 degrees. So for example, I know that 180 degrees is like a straight line. Okay? So let's say that I can even take this line and go all the way through. I'm going to put some points on these lines. Let's call this one P, Q, R, S. Okay. So right here, angle PQR, so this measurement right here, I would say that that's maybe 140, roughly. And then right here, this angle here would be 40 degrees. And together, 140 and 140 degrees plus 40 degrees is 180. And that is a straight angle. So angle PQS and angle PQR are supplementary angles. Those two angles together equal 180 degrees. I hope you enjoyed this edition of Bath Math. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.